viewers, welcome back. Today we have something truly amazing for you. In this video, we're showcasing a series of incredibly unique and viral short clips featuring an adorable cat. Now let me show you how you can create similar viral videos using completely free tools. First, open YouTube and search for the channel Dulu19. Once you open the channel, you'll notice it has a relatively small number of subscribers but extremely high-performing videos. Many of the shorts have millions of views, 58 million, 48 million, 23 million, and more. Almost every video has crossed 1 million views, which clearly shows this niche is highly viral and trending. Next, go to the popular videos section and carefully watch the shorts one by one. Observe the scenes, characters, and compositions. Whenever you find a scene you like, whether it's the cat riding with a dragon, an alien, a tiger, or on a motorcycle, take a screenshot. After collecting several screenshots, open Canva and place all your selected screenshots into one canvas. Arrange them neatly and export the final image as a JPG file. This will combine all your reference scenes into a single image. Now, move to ChatGPT, upload that combined image, and use this prompt. I want to create the same type of shots. Give me detailed prompts for all images similar to this. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate multiple unique and creative prompts based on your reference image. These prompts may include scenes like a cat riding a giant tiger, flying with a green dragon, riding a futuristic motorcycle, or traveling with an alien creature. Each prompt will be detailed and ready for image generation. Now let's move to the most exciting part, generating images using Pictomen. First, open Pictomen and go to the text-to-image section. Firstly, make sure to select the correct aspect ratio, such as 9:16. This will ensure your images are perfectly optimized for mobile viewing. Next, copy your first prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Click on Generate and wait a few seconds. Within moments, your image will be ready. You will see a beautifully detailed scene of a cute cat riding alongside a powerful white tiger. Notice the cinematic lighting, sharp details, vibrant colors, and fantasy-style background. The image looks professional and highly engaging. Now, move to the second prompt. Copy it, paste it into Pictomen, and click Generate again. This time, the cat appears riding a futuristic motorcycle with an alien companion. The neon lighting, dynamic effects, and dramatic atmosphere give the image a cinematic, high-quality appearance. Let's continue with the third prompt. Paste it and generate the image. Now you'll see the cat flying beside a massive green dragon in the sky. The glowing clouds, realistic shadows, and detailed composition make the scene look like it belongs in a fantasy movie. Repeat this process for all the remaining prompts. Each time, Pictomen will generate a unique, high-quality image while keeping your main character consistent and visually appealing. Once all the images are generated, carefully review them and download your favorite versions in high resolution. At this point, you now have multiple eye-catching, viral-style images ready to be converted into engaging short videos. And that's how you use Pictomen to transform simple text prompts into stunning, professional visual. Alright, viewers, now we're moving on to the next step. Let's open the website called Dreamina AI. As you can see on the left side, Dreamina AI provides 120 credits on a daily basis, not just for 1 week, but every single day. That's a great advantage. First, let me give you a quick overview of the website. As we scroll down, you can see some amazing images and videos that have already been generated using Dreamina AI. The results are incredibly impressive and high quality. From here, you can create AI avatars, generate images, and even produce AI videos. Dreamina AI is truly unique and packed with powerful tools. It's an amazing platform for AI content creation. Now, without wasting any time, let's move forward. I'll click on the AI agent option. As you can see, the AI image and AI video options are currently not visible. So what do we need to do? First, download any VPN. I'm using Hotspot Shield, which is mostly free. Once installed, simply connect the VPN. After connecting, wait a few seconds and then refresh the Dreamina AI website. Now, as you can see, the AI image, AI video, and AI avatar options are visible. This happens after connecting the VPN. Let's click on the AI video option. Now I'll upload my first image, the one I want to convert into a video. After uploading the image, I'll enter a prompt describing what I want. Once the prompt is ready, I'll click on Generate. It only costs 25 credits to generate one video on Dreamina AI. Now we wait for a few moments while the video is being generated. You can see the percentage increasing. Once it reaches 100%, the video will be ready. It usually takes about 1 minute. And here it is. Our first video has been generated in a very unique and creative way. Let me show you the scene one by one. As you can see, it looks amazing, cool, and highly professional. Now we can also add a soundtrack to make the video even more engaging. Click on Generate Soundtrack. It takes only 10 credits. After clicking Done, we wait a few seconds, and now the video is ready with sound. You can see there are 3 soundtrack options available. You can choose whichever one fits your video best. Next, I'll upload the second image and enter its prompt. After clicking Generate, it starts processing again. Without wasting time, I'll upload the third image, add its prompt, and generate that as well. Similarly, I'll upload the fourth image and generate its video too. The best part is that on Dreamina AI, you can generate 3 to 4 videos at the same time. Now, my second video is ready. As you can see, it looks incredibly unique and professional. I'll download it. After a short wait, the third video is also ready. It looks amazing. I'll download this one too. And finally, the last video is ready as well. I'll download all the videos one by one. Now we move on to the final step. In this step, we'll remove the Dreamina AI logo and combine all videos into one final video. For this, I'll open CapCut. I'll upload all the videos one by one into CapCut. After uploading, I'll arrange them in the order I prefer. As you can see, the Dreamina AI logo appears in the corner. To remove it, simply click on the Scale option and zoom in slightly until the logo disappears. I'll repeat this process for all videos. Now I'll show you the final look. All videos are combined, featuring amazing characters and unique moments. The result looks extremely professional and impressive. Finally, I'll export the video in my preferred resolution. And just like that, our unique AI-generated video created using Dreamina AI is ready. I hope you really enjoyed today's tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.